In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward all emails to a new Gmail account. Whether you're transitioning to a new email for work, personal reasons, or just want to streamline your inbox, setting up email forwarding ensures you don't miss anything important. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Gmail login page. Here, log into the Gmail account from which you want to forward emails. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail window. Click on it and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Gmail settings page, where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the row of tabs at the top and click on the Forwarding and POP-IMAP tab. It's the one sandwiched between Accounts and Import and Add-ons. Once there, you'll see a section labeled Forwarding. To initiate forwarding, click on the button that says Add a forwarding address. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the email address you want to forward your emails to. Carefully type in your new Gmail address, and when you're satisfied it's correct, click Next. At this stage, Gmail will send a confirmation code to your new Gmail address. So, open a new tab or window, log into your new Gmail account, and check your inbox for this email from Gmail. Once found, open the email and either click the confirmation link or copy the confirmation code. This step is crucial as it verifies that you indeed want emails forwarded to this address. Now, switch back to your old Gmail settings tab and enter the confirmation code in the box provided. Once you've done that, click on the Verify button. You should see a message indicating that you've successfully added the forwarding email address. The next step is to decide how you want email forwarding to work. Return to the Forwarding and POP-IMAP tab if you've navigated elsewhere. You'll see an option to forward a copy of incoming mail. Click the radio button next to this option, then, from the drop-down menu, select what happens to the emails you've forwarded. You can choose to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it. For most people, keeping a copy in the inbox is ideal, just to have a backup. Once you've made your choice, be sure to scroll down and click Save Changes. It's a simple click, but don't forget it, as it finalizes your new settings. And there you have it. All future emails sent to your old account will now be forwarded to your new Gmail address. Make sure to check both accounts to ensure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.